Tomato.
Tomate.
There's no O in there.
Tomate.
Tomato, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Broccoli.
Sure, I don't know what that is. Broccoli. I don't know.
Ooh. Say that one more time.
Broccoli. I don't know. I actually don't know if that's right. But
I like when you get in that element.
oh please.
Lettuce.
Laitue.
One more time.
Laitue.
Laitue. Laitue.
Stop it.
Rice.
Le riz.
Damn, I never thought of that. Beans.
Haricot.
That's crazy. It's like a whole different word. Carrots.
Carottes.
Carrot. Carrot. Why the raw? Why you say raw like that?
Carrot.
Raw. Croissant.
Croissant.
Say that one more time.
Croissant.
I kind of heard that before. Like when I go out to get a croissant, some people actually say it the way
Y'all
you
say
say
it like
croissant. Like it's a croissant.
Croissant. Croissant. Croissant.
Croissant. Croissant.
Yeah.
Chai. Break my lip. Salt.
Sel.
One more time.
Sel.
Sell.
Yeah.
It's salt.
Yes.
Sell it.
Sel.
Sell it. Like a selling. Like you selling something.
No, you're not selling. It's sel.
Cassava.
Manioc.
Why is it so different?
Manioc.
What? Cassava?
Manioc.
Say milk. What's milk?
Le lait.
What?
Avocado.
Yeah.
Avocat.
Avocado. Like tomato. Tomato.
There you go.
Tomato. Salt is sell.
Sel.
I'm gonna sell you something.
No.
Yes.
No.